To create a car rental website with HTML and CSS, plan your website structure. Determine the layout and pages your website will have, such as the homepage, car listings, booking form, and contact page. Set up your HTML file. Create an HTML file and structure it with elements like header, nav, section, footer, etc. to organize your content. Design with CSS. Style your website using CSS to make it visually appealing. Use CSS to define fonts, colors, spacing, and layout. Add car listings. Create sections or cards to display rental car information, including images, descriptions, prices, and availability. You can use HTML to structure the content and CSS to style it. Implement booking form. Create a booking form using HTML form elements to collect user information such as pickup or drop-off dates, car type, and contact details. Make it responsive. Ensure your website looks good and functions well on various devices by implementing responsive design techniques using CSS media queries. Test and debug. Test your website across different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility and usability. Debug any issues that arise. Deploy your website. Once everything looks and works as expected, upload your HTML and CSS files to a web server to make your car rental website accessible online.